Things like this. Oh, yo, my shorts are like getting shaved. Make sure they're outside.
Oh my god. This neoprene is pretty good, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
Yo, say hi.
Yo. Oh, what's up? Oh my god.
Very simple. I'm gonna do it kind of slow motion here. Then you just leave your body.
Good volunteering.
How's everyone doing?
Pretty good.
Good. Nice to meet you guys.
Where are you guys from?
Surrey.
Oh, okay, cool.
I'm gonna take this side, yo.
Martin, you gotta be the opposite side.
Let's go forward, paddle, forward.
This is a race, bro. Okay, what?
Together, backwards, back it up, back it up. So we got a couple more minutes of pretty calm water like this.
This is calm.
Around this morning.
This is calm.
Touch a little water. We had that weird. The only time.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa, that was a good one.
That was awesome.
Right around the corner, we actually pinned.
Yo, tell me I got that on camera, bro.
Be like Christopher Columbus.
Let's hold on.
Hold on.
Woo! Hold on. Hey. And forward, forward. Back it up.
Oh, another one. Another one.
Let's go left forward, right back. Paddles up in the air, bring them together. High five.
Yeah.
Looking good, everybody. I'm happy with that.
That was nice.
Ray's coming in beautiful.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
I can show you the world. Oh, what the heck?
Okay. God damn it. Alright, here we go. This is next one.
Forward, forward.
Oh, shoot. Hold on, Nick.
Oh, forward, forward. Good job. There it is. Forward.
Oh, what the heck? Oh my god.
Forward.
Oh, what the heck?
Hold on.
Hold on.
Hold on, we're good. Now let's go forward. Forward. Stop there.
Stop. Hold on.
Stop there. Both going away.
I guess we're drinking some waterfall water.
The thing is, for here, it actually gets.
Oh god, please hopefully don't get. Oh, that water's fresh.
45. Yeah. And push it again. Push. Yeah. Oh, shoot. Okay. Okay. Only for the right, man. One more. Here we go. Oh, nice graffiti. Have a look at that bridge. Crazy.
Yeah, I more saw that. It was when I was looking for hydro.
Yeah, bring the paddle with you. Hey guys. All right, on behalf of everybody at Glacier, thank you so much for coming rafting today.
Thank you.
There's still a couple of pairs of sunglasses in the front. Awesome. Nick.
Wait. wait.
Oh, we good.
I feel dusty.
Woohoo!
That was fun.
oh, my belly can breathe. Thank you.
Awesome.